Welcome to TubeCore, casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Spin rewriter review. Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we will talk about this software called Spin Rewriter. Now this is not a new software. This has been on the internet for like last 10 years now. So this is a rewriter tool. And if you guys don't know what Spin Rewriter means or what it does, it actually rewrites the content for you, okay? And this is mostly used for blogging or for content writing, because people actually don't want to spend time or money in writing the content or hiring somebody to write the content for you, okay? So what these days people do, or what they have been doing for all these years, is that they go and pick up or copy content from some other websites, and then they will have to make that content unique, okay? Because you cannot use that content as it is so on your website, because then that will be a duplicate content and your websites will never rank in Google. So to make that copied content unique, people have to use some kind of spin rewriter, okay? So there are a few ways you can do this free, and as you might have seen on the thumbnail, I will tell you one way how you can rewrite the content for free up to 2,000 words, which is like a good deal. And if you are into you are a developer, software developer, or you need some API because you have to do this over and over again and you don't want to do manually, in that case you will have to get a paid version as well, okay? So the Spin Writer, first of all, I'll show you its features and then we'll talk about the pricing. So first of all, understand, if you are a small person, like individual, and you only want to go ahead and write 1, 2, 3 blog posts every day, then I will show you the free method, how you can get the article rewriter for free. But if you are a developer, or you have to write so many blogs for yourself, for your clients, and you need an API and you need to do this like over and over again, then you can buy the paid version as well, and we'll see the pricing, okay? So first of all, let me show you within the account here. So this is the inside of your Spin Writer, rewriter account. It says rewrite a single article or rewrite multiple articles, my archive, profitable. So they do have an affiliate program, and how to do videos. So they have tutorials as well, support and contact, okay? So you can go ahead and grab this Spin Rewriter from my link in the description below after you have finished watching this video, and if you have a need, okay? Because I will tell you, if you are an individual, then you do not need to buy any rewriter, because for individual, if you do everything manually, then this method or this trick, which I'm going to show you in a moment, this is going to be like good enough for you, and you will save some money as long you're ready to do the manual work, okay? But if you have a need that you have to automate the whole process of writing blogs and rewrite them automatically, in the background, then yes, you will need this API key, as you can see here. So you will need an API, and you will need to go for a paid version as well, so that you can write unlimited articles, okay? So this is the inside look of the dashboard. Now how it works, you can watch some tutorials here, video tutorials. Right now I'm not worried about that, because it's a simple thing. If you are looking for some rewriter, then obviously it means that you are some kind of technical person who is running a website or who is doing blogging, so you know how these things work, okay? But right now, on their sales page, it says the only article spinner that truly understands the meaning of your content and start ranking higher for more keywords, okay? So more keywords means that if you keep writing content every day, right? So let's say your blog post, your website, let's say your website has got 1,000 blog posts in a month, then obviously you will have so much keywords which will be ranking here and there somewhere, okay? So the more content gives you more opportunity to rank in Google, because you never know which page of your website, which content, which blog of your website is going to rank where in which country. You don't know that, okay? So all you have to focus on, when you start blogging, when someone starts with blogging, all they need to care about is that they just need to keep writing the content, keep writing for at least 6 months, unless you have 50,000 blogs on your website. 50,000 blogs, okay? That's the landmark you need to reach. And how can you reach that landmark? If you can go ahead and write your content as soon as possible. Now, writing the content with your own hands, it is impossible. Nobody can write 50,000 blocks in the matter of 1 year. Okay, it's gonna take ages. You know, your hairs will grow gray if you start writing 50,000 blocks. Okay, it might take 5 years or more. All right, so what you do is you go ahead and use technology. How do you use technology? You go ahead and copy some blocks from some other people, and then you go ahead and rewrite those blocks using these softwares, these kind of spin rewriters. And once you make those blocks unique using these softwares, then you can use that content on your blogs, and that is how you can automate the process, or you can literally copy paste but with a unique content using the software. Okay, so this is how you can actually save a lot of time, and you can publish more content every day, maybe 10-15 blogs every day like this. Okay, so if you just imagine if you post 20 blogs every day using a spin rewriter. 20 blogs every day means that at least 500 blocks in a month. 5 days you will be off, right? 25 into 20, that means 500 blocks in 1 month. So in how much? In 1 year you will have around 6,000 blocks on your website, right? So imagine in 1 year you will have 6,000. It will take you around 8 years to get those 50,000, because 50,000 is a high landmark. 50,000 blocks, right? So 50,000 blocks will will give you those $50,000 per month as well. So if you take your blog up to if you take your website up to 50,000 blocks in whatever number of years, in 5 years, 10 years, whenever your website reaches to 50,000 blocks, that means you will make somewhere around 30 to 50,000 per month from your website, from your blog. Okay, and this is like pure hard work. Okay, and even I know few ways that you can automate the whole process. You don't even need to copy somebody, you don't need to copy somebody else's content and then rewrite it. This all can be done in the back end, automated. Okay, but I will not tell you that right now. Maybe I will launch some course in the future, and I will tell you that in that course that how to automate blogging. And you don't even have to write anything. Everything will be just written in the background. Your post will be published on your website every hour, every half an hour, every 1 hour, every 2 hours, whatever timing you will select. Your posts will be published from other websites onto your websites with a unique content. And I may launch this course coming in the future. Okay, but coming back to the spin rewriter, yes, your focus should be copying more content, then make it unique using the software, and then publish it on your website. If you want to do this manually, then I will tell you the free way in a moment now. But if you want to do this using the API, and you want to do this for multiple websites maybe, or unlimited times, then you have to buy this spin rewriter, and then you'll have to use the API to do all that. Okay, now let's talk about the pricings here. So this company has been there since last 10 years. Okay, so in their video, I saw this guy telling that, okay, we have been doing business since last 10 years, and I have actually cross-checked that. So yes, this company had been there since last 10 years. Okay, I'll show you the proof here. So if you go into this website called whois.com, on whois.com you can type in their domain name, and you can see here it says spinrewriter.com, and they are registered with Namecheap. Okay, and they were registered on 13th of January 2011, and they are still working. So that means it's well over 10 years. Okay, so in January 2022 they will be 11 years. Okay, so the company has been operational. They are not running anywhere, so they're trusted, you can say. And they have 3 options for you guys. So they have 47 per month, and they give you everything unlimited. And this is the 5 days trial. Okay, so if you click on get free access, you can get this 5-day trial, and once your trial is supposed to order, they will send you email so that you can upgrade. Okay, 47 a month. And then if you want lifetime, right, 497 lifetime, unlimited articles, this month, that month. Okay, so again guys, you have 3 options. Okay, first, if you want to see how do they work, then you have a 5-day access. And then if you cannot afford to spend $500 in one go, then go for a 47 per month. And as soon you have those 497, then you can skip paying for 47 and go for the one-time license. Okay, so if you think you're gonna do this long term, if you think you're gonna do this for next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, then obviously buying the one time makes more sense. Okay, so 5 days just to test out the services, $47 per month is for those people who cannot afford to spend $4.97 right now. But if you have a long-term goal, if you have your plans to work on blogging for next 5 years, then obviously spend $5 and you will get the money worth for that particular amount. Okay, right. So they accept PayPal and everything, and now let me show you how you can do this for free. Okay, so this spin rewriter, it's a brand, it's a genuine company, so I don't have to talk much about this because the brand speaks for itself, right? So if you have a need, then go ahead, buy it. Okay, if you have a need. If you don't have a need, then do it for free. Okay, I'll tell you how to do this free. So you go into Google, right? Simply go onto Google and type in article rewriter. Okay, now just type in article rewriter, and the first one here is showing small SEO tool. This is the one I use for free rewriting. Okay, so I'll click on the first one, small SEO tools, and click on the open tab, open a new tab. And here, if you scroll down, you see here it says paste article processing done, right? So all you need to do is click in this box, click here, that's it. Now you need to paste your content. You will need to paste that content which you have copied from somewhere. So maybe let me show you the example here. So if I go to home here, I will go ahead and copy all the content from here. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna copy all this, right? That's it. Okay, now you're gonna come here and you can use until or up to 2,000 words. You see, limit 2,000 words. Now I do not know any other free rewriter, any other free article rewriter which allows you to spin 2,000 words. Small SEO tools, this is the only website which allows you to rewrite 2,000 words for free. Okay, and they do not have any restriction. If you are ready to do this manually, like you go to Google, you come to this website, then you can rewrite as many articles up to 2,000 words in single search as many times you want. There's no charge for that. Okay, and that is why I said it is good. It is free if you only want to do 3-4 blogs in a day and you want to do it manually. Okay, if you want to do this manually, only 4, 5, 6 blogs in a day, then use this small SEO tools article rewriter and paste all those words here up to 2,000, and then scroll down and click on rewrite article, and it's gonna do all this here, and then you will see that it will make this article unique, as you can see here. So it's what happened. Maybe it's down right now, but it's not loading the captcha. Normally it should show the captcha here. That's why it's not working. I can refresh it for you. Let's refresh. This website does work. You don't have to worry if right now it's not working because I'm recording this video, so it doesn't matter. You can try wherever you are in your country and this will work. Right now seems like they have some problem because normally here it is asking for a the captcha thing, robot. I'm not a robot box, right? It's not showing. That's why it's not working. Let me see if I can use here, maybe on Microsoft Edge. Okay, there might work here. So let's see if I paste the content and scroll down and hit rewrite article. Okay, here you can see it's processing, right? So 7% done. So the website does work. It depends if your browser has some issues or whatever. So now it's going to rewrite all these articles totally free, up to 2,000 words, absolutely free, no charge, and you can do this all day, all long. Okay, 24/7. You can come onto this website when you place or put those 2,000 words and make them unique, rewrite article and use them on your blog. Paste it manually. Okay, and this is the result here, so you can see. Now how will you copy all this? Okay, so for copying all this, you click on this thing called check plagiarism, or you simply can download everything here. Okay, you can click on this arrow and download. If you don't want to download, then click on this thing called check plagiarism, and then you will be taken to a new window. Scroll it down, and here you can click inside, and you can do Control A on Windows 10 and Command A on Mac. So Control A to select everything on Windows and Command A on Mac computers to select everything, and obviously you can go ahead, right click and copy everything. Okay, this is your original content, unique content, which has been rewritten by this website, and all you need to do is simply go on your website, paste in your blog, and you have one blog ready to go. Okay, if you do this manually every day, you can do up to 8 to 10 blogs every day, no charge, totally free, and nobody is stopping you how many times you want to use it. But if you want all this process to be automated, for example, you want to have an API, and API will do all this for you. You're a software developer, you know what what it means, you know how to use API, right? If you are a technical person, you definitely know how to use API, right? So again, guys, if you want to buy the unlimited paid version, okay, you'll have to buy the paid version if you want to use the API, okay? Because in free version you will have restrictions, okay, because your word count, your limit will be there, which will be reached, so you will have to buy the unlimited paid version. And I think this is a good deal. So in on the pricing section here, you can try it out first, and 47 per month if you have a budget. But if you have money and if you have long-term goals, then buy this in one time, okay? So that's it for Spin Rewriter. Good to go from my end. And yeah, that's it. And by any chance, if you guys want to make money online, then you can check out the first two links in the description below of my video. First link says make money with kiss checking, that stands for keep it simple stupid. So if you are if any of you are newbies and want to learn how to make money online, then check out the first link. And if you want to create a full-time income online, then check out the second link, click on show more, and it says make my #1 recommendation to create full-time income online. So click on that link, or watch these two videos in the description of my video right now. So click on these two links in the description below, and then watch those videos till the end, and then you will have a clear idea how to make real money online. Not just with blogging, but you can use YouTube as well, okay? So I'm talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers and subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a couple of weeks, okay? So check out the first two links in the description below, and then you will find out how you can make real money with YouTube as well, okay? So go ahead, check that out, and that's it for this review, and we'll see you in the next video now.